we've got that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my handy dandy glue gun and I'm gonna glue the Jesus out of this. So I'm starting to glue it to the pipe, okay? All the way around. Because I don't want this to move. I want it to be really solid. So you can see I've glued it right here. I'm gonna glue this side. Top and bottom, over it, making straps. I'm just gonna cover this with hot glue so that it is really attached to the pipe here.
It's not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere. That's our goal, is none of this is going anywhere. All right. Okay, so that is attached to that. Now we're gonna have to let that dry for a minute. And it may drip a little bit, but that's okay. All right. So you can see that it is all the way attached. It's not gonna move now.
Yeah.
You can see it's not moving. So you have to have a level. If you're gonna do structured, well, you should, any cake, you have to have a level. So you can do, you know, I have this level which kind of does all different angles. I stole this from my husband. I don't think he knows I actually took this out of the garage, but it does all different angles. You can also get a level for your phone, which I just found, which is very interesting.
Oh yeah,
you can do
there's a level app.
There's a level app, and you can do, and it does a bubble level, which I really love for a round level for the tops of cake. So this is my level for my phone. Can you zoom in on that?
Yeah, we're gonna zoom in on this one, because that's pretty cool.
But what's great about this is you can lay it on the top. See, this level shows if it's level this way, and you see the bubble, you know, has to fit in the middle for it to be level this way.
Yeah.
This sits on the top of a cake.
Yes.
So the bubble's in the middle, but what you can do is you can slide this all over the top of your cake.
Wow.
And the bubble stays in the middle, you know your cake is level. So
That's
I love
cool.
this level. Of course, if you're gonna do that with your phone, put a piece of wax paper over the top of your cake before you set your phone on it, because phones are filthy.
Yeah.
So, you know.
There you go.
All right.
Most phones are not food safe.
No, they are not food safe.
Most phones.
All right, so now that we've killed enough time, this is dried. Now, we're gonna take our piece, we're gonna slide it back on here. Now, I'm gonna see that it's somewhat level. Because this is a penguin and he's shaped, I'm not gonna be too concerned that this is level, because I'm gonna be carving him, so he doesn't have to be exactly level. But I wanna make sure he's somewhat level. So I can kind of bend my wire to get it to where it's somewhat level. So you can see right there. If you come in close on that.
We don't have the name of the app.
I do, yes.
Yeah, we're gonna, because that's just way cool.
I know, I love that app, and I think it's free because I hate to pay for apps.
We love
so
apps. We love free apps. We love
this
level apps.
is called Bubble Level. So
That'll
you can
work.
see that
Cool.
is level.
Okay.
We're gonna, again, hot glue the heck out of this.
Good.
So I'm hot gluing it to my board.
So basically, this will have no bejiggers when you're done, because you have hot glued the bejiggers out of it.
I have, out of everything.
Okay. So, and are you doing? We can't see. Are you doing?
I'm doing straps. You can see
so
here.
what we're going to call hot glue straps.
Yeah, I'm doing
Okay.
straps.
Oh, that's a good angle. That's a good angle. Hang on.
But this, of course, I need another hot glue stick.
Of course.
But, so you can see, I'm just gonna hot glue all of it, like that.
Gotcha.
Okay? So we're gonna let that dry, and now, this is pretty sturdy,
Yeah.
okay? All right, so we're gonna let that dry for a minute. I need to melt some chocolate.